Hello everyone, welcome back to Knit Crow Addict channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this cute little facial scrubby pouch. So this project is very similar to this one here, the crochet knitted pouch, because some of you guys comment on our blog and ask me how can they make a small version of that knitted pouch so they can use for facial scrubby. So I decided to make the quick tutorial for you guys. Alright, so yeah, for today's tutorial I use Lion Brand Comfy Cotton Blend, and you can use any yarn you prefer, but I highly recommend using cotton yarn, and this is size 3 lightweight DK yarn, just in case if you wanna know. So this the same yarn but just different color, but I'm gonna show you in this color for today's tutorial. And crochet hook, size 5 millimeters, scissors, and yarn needle. Okay, first I'm gonna make a slip knot. You can use any method you prefer for making a slip knot, and I'm gonna make 15 chains. So the chain when we start is gonna be this width. Okay, if you want bigger project, bigger pouch, keep adding more chain, but make sure you have an odd number of chain. So I make 15 chains. So I have slip knot here. I'm gonna make the chain. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 13, 14, and 15. And then round 1, we're gonna make half double crochet into the second chain from the hook and then into each chain across. So I yarn over my hook, insert the hook into that second chain from the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, I have 3 loops on my hook, yarn over and pull through all the loops on the hook. And then I'm gonna repeat that into each chain across. So half double crochet into the next, half double crochet into the next chain, half double crochet into the next chain. Okay, I'm at the end here and I have 14 half double crochet stitches across, and round 1 is not complete yet. We're gonna crochet in round. So we're gonna make half double crochet into each chain on the other side across. Okay, so this is the end, the last chain, and we're gonna make 1 double crochet into that same chain, which is the last chain. And then next chain gonna be this one right here, and then next chain here, and then next chain here. Alright, just keep making 1 half double crochet into each chain on this side across until the end, and I will be back. Okay, I'm at the end, but I haven't made the last half double crochet yet. I just want to show you for the last half double crochet. It's gonna be this one. Okay, just want to make sure that you see. Okay. All right, at the end of round 1 here I have a total of 28 half double crochet stitches around. So I have 14 stitches on this side and then 14 stitches on this side. Alright, to finish round 1, we're gonna make a slip stitch into the first half double crochet that we did here. So I'm just gonna insert the hook into that first half double crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop, and pull it through. And round 2, chain 1. The chain 1 doesn't count as a stitch, and we're gonna make half double crochet into each stitch around. So make half double crochet into the first stitch here, half double crochet into the next stitch, half double crochet into the next stitch, half double crochet into the next stitch. Okay, I'm gonna keep making half double crochet into each stitch around, and I will be back when I'm at the end of round 2 here. I'm at the end of round 2 here, and to finish round 2, we're gonna slip stitch into the first half double crochet that we did here. So this is the first half double crochet. I'm gonna insert my hook there, yarn over, pull up a loop and pull it through like that. And at the end of round 2, I have the same 28 half double crochet around. And for round 3, we're gonna chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The first 3 chains count as 1 double crochet, and then the 4th chain there count as 1 chain space. And next, we're gonna skip the next stitch and make 1 double crochet into the next stitch. So yarn over my hook, I skip the next, insert the hook into the next, yarn over, pull up a loop. I have 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That is the double crochet. And then we're gonna chain 1, skip the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the next, and then I'm gonna repeat that around. So chain 1, skip the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Repeat that, chain 1, skip the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the next. Alright, just keep repeating that around. Chain 1, skip next stitch, and 1 double crochet into the next stitch, like that. And I will be back when I'm at the end of round 3 here. And I should have 1 stitch left, okay? I'm at the end of round 3 here, and I have 1 stitch left, so you should have the same. And after I make the last double crochet here, I'm gonna chain 1, and of course skip the next stitch, which is the last stitch, and then make a slip stitch into the 3rd chain. So here's my 3rd chain. I insert the hook there, yarn over, pull up a loop and pull it through. Round 3 is complete. And at the end of round 3, I have 28 stitches around, includes the chain 1 spaces as well. And for round 4, we're gonna chain 4, and then we're gonna make 1 double crochet into the double crochet stitch here, and then chain 1, 1 double crochet into the next double crochet stitch here. And we're gonna repeat that around. We chain 1, 1 double crochet into the next double crochet stitch. Repeat that, chain 1, 1 double crochet into the next double crochet stitch. Chain 1, 1 double crochet into the next double crochet stitch. Keep repeating that around, and I will be back when I'm at the end of round 4. I'm at the end of round 4 here, and I make the last double crochet into the last stitch here already. And next, you're gonna chain 1 and slip stitch into the 3rd chain. And then for round 5 to round 11, you're gonna repeat round 4 exactly the same, okay? Let me show you a few stitches on round 5 here. Just repeat round 4. So we chain 4, the first 3 chain count as 1 double crochet, and then the 4th chain count as 1 chain space, and make 1 double crochet into the double crochet stitch, and then chain 1, 1 double crochet into the next double crochet stitch, chain 1, 1 double crochet into the next double crochet stitch, like that. Alright, just keep repeating round 4. And if you want your project to be longer, keep repeating round 4, okay? And yeah, I'm gonna keep repeating round 4 until I reach the end of round 11, and I will be back. Good luck. I'm at the end of round 11 here, and I already slip stitched into the 3rd chain there. And then next, just cut the yarn. I just leave a little bit of tail, just enough to weave in the end later, and then pull the yarn out. And I'm not gonna show you how to weave the end because I think you know how to weave the end Alright, and next we're gonna make the drawstrings. We're gonna make 2 exactly the same. And I'm gonna start with a slip knot. And I'm gonna make 60 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I have 60 chain here. It's about 15 inches long. Okay, and then I'm gonna cut the yarn and put the yarn out. And you need 1 more of this, exactly the same. Okay, and if you want a longer drawstring, feel free to add more chain, but both have to be the same length. Okay, next we're gonna insert the drawstring here. So I have 2 drawstring. First, I want you to lay your project flat like this, and then we're gonna insert the drawstring right into round 9 right here. And then we're gonna start from the side here, gonna like insert in and out. Okay, I start right here. I insert in and out like that. In and out. In and out. Do that around. Okay, now I have this side. And now, the other side, we're gonna start from the opposite side and do the same. Insert in and out, the same round 9. So I start right here. Right here, okay? Just play around with it. So I insert in and out. In and out. In and out, in and out. Like that. Okay. Here's what it looks like. And if you don't like how it looks, you just remove it and try to play around with it. And yeah, I'm happy with this. So as you can see, I can close it like that. I'm very happy with it. And then I open it. Okay, and then next I just gonna tie those in together. Just tie a knot. And then tie the other side, tie both in together. Okay, like that. And then you just need to whip all the ends and you're done. And you can cut the tail right here, or you can leave some tail as well, totally up to you. You can just, play around with it. So this one right here, I cut all the way through the knot. Alright, that's it. Congratulations! I hope you enjoy making this project. If you did, please give this video a big thumb up and share this video with your friends. I will appreciate it so much. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next video. Bye bye!